Video I'm going to show you that how you can unblock someone from Snapchat. So let's jump into the video. So what you need to do first is go to on your Snapchat account. After going to Snapchat, you have to go to on your chat option. So make sure you watch the full video and leave a like on this video. If this is work, please subscribe this channel. So what you need to do first is go to on your profile. I hope you already vlogged this person that you wanna unblock. After that, you have to click on the top option like settings here. After going to the settings, you have to scroll all the way down. After going to down, you have to click on this blocked users in the last option, like here blocked users. Here you can find the people that you have blocked on. So what you need to do to unblock this person, you have to click on the cross option in the right corner. Okay, then you have to click on yes. So this person is just unblocked. So this is how you can unblock someone on Snapchat. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel, leave a like on this video. Peace.